kasama po natin live ang Deputy General Youth Leaders of Agribusiness Congress 2024 UP Los Baños. We have John Boniel. Hi, anong nickname natin?
Gio po.
Gio. Ayan. Yes. Hi Gio, good morning. Welcome sa Centro Servicio. Ayan, thank you. And of course, the Program and Participation Director of Youth Leaders of Agribusiness Congress 2024 of UP Los Baños. We have Rachel Behek. Ayan. Rachel, good morning. Welcome sa Centro Servicio DZXL.
Good morning.
Ayan. Good morning naman. Ako, mga kabataan daw yung aking katabi. At kay Sir din, sa ating po natin, kasama rito sa UPLB, ating coordinator po, ang ating surgeon. Nakasama rin natin. Mamaya batiin natin, ha. Ayan. Gio and Rachel. Okay. Let's start off, mga kasama. Eto na po ang ating youth. Nako, feeling ko kabataan din ako ngayon, diba? Pag mga kabataan yung aking mga panauhin. Well, first of all, ano ba itong BS Agribusiness Management and Entrepreneurship? Rachel.
Alright, madami po kasing hindi nakakaalam ng agribusiness. It is an undergraduate program po na ni-offer ni UPLB. More on business operations and agriculture po siya. From inputs to support subsystem.
And also
Gio, yes.
Also to add po, yung BS Agribusiness Management and Entrepreneurship Program, hindi po natin siya talaga nakikita sa pang-araw-araw natin. Pero yung iba't iba pong mga commodity, like kahit po sa simpleng chichirya na snacks, ay yung very involved po yung agribusiness management doon kasi doon po sa agribusiness management po, doon po namin natututuhan kung paano po mag-manage ng firms or like businesses na naka-revolve for around food and agriculture po. And even po yung mga ganun kasimpleng na mga pang-araw-araw nating mga kinoconsume.
Adding value po.
Okay, that's good. Ano ang kaibahan, Gio and Rachel, ng course na ito from agriculture?
Siguro po, since sa agriculture parang I think po mas naka-focus sila sa research and yung more scientific aspect po ng agriculture. In terms of agribusiness naman po, sa amin po parang nakasalalay naman kung paano po natin mapapakalat yung mga agricultural commodities po natin. Katulad po ng poultry, yung pati po yung crops, ganun po. Bale, sa amin po siya like more on distribution and yung selling po noon.
Yes. And to add also, ma'am, from inputs po kasi tayo to hanggang sa makarating sa consumer. So, kung paano pinaprocess yung product, paano minamarket ang product, that's all.
Wow, that's good. That's good. Anong sets of yung course natin, apart from your typical business course, or what sets your course dun sa typical business course natin? Rachel.
Yung iba po kasing business course is really on business side only. Wherein in agribusiness, we have agri courses like foundational. We have crop science po. We also have animal science. We also have agri-biosystems and engineering. So, mingling po siya ng agriculture and business.
Oh, that's good. Agriculture and business. Magkasama yon, ha? So, itong gusto kong tanong ano ang mga career opportunities natin dito?
Ay, naku po, napakadami.
Sige, umpisahan natin yan, Gio.
Kasi po, parang based din po sa mga kaibigan ko, usually pag sinasabi ko po sa kanila na agribusiness management yung course ko, ang una po nilang sasabihin, sa farm.
Yes, magsasaka daw.
Yes po. And I think it's something to be proud of. And having, if maka-finish po tayo ng isang BS AgMe course, marami po talagang opportunities. And of course, syempre, agribusiness, you can be a farm manager, farm analyst, business consultant, and also, hindi lang po tayo nakukulong doon. Hindi porket agribusiness management ay nakakulong lang po tayo sa agriculture side ng operations. You can also still take yung mga, your typical banking and finance jobs, marketing, and product development. And I think po, ang isa po sa mga I think what sets it apart is you can actually pursue your own startup entrepreneurship with you introduce products that is agriculturally related.
Wow, dami ha. What's the course like, Rachel?
Ako po, it's very fun. Masaya po sa agribusiness kasi
Kita ko nga sa mukha ni Rachel, o, di ba?
super fun po. Super nag-i-enjoy po ako, to be honest. Kasi po, madami po ka-experiences. Like, first time ko pong magtanim sa palayan.
Ay,
Yes.
gusto ko ma-experience. Tapos yung tumatagaktak yung pawis mo,
Opo.
di ba?
Mag-alaga ng hayop. Naggagatas po kami ng mga baka.
Opo, totoo po yun. Naranasan po namin.
Nako, hindi nyo yun na-experience. Oo, di ba?
Ang saya-saya po. Tapos nagdadrive po ka ng traktora.
Alam mo yun ang maganda sa inyo na-enjoy nyo.
Yes po, kasi there's actually yung practical application po na natitrain po talaga kami kung how it works on yung real life setting po talaga.
That's good. That's good. Super happy. So, eto na. Tell us more about your event, ayan, for the Youth Leaders of Agribusiness Congress 2024. Rachel.
We are very happy to announce you that we will having our Youth Leaders Agribusiness Congress this coming June 19 to 21. This is open for all po. Yes po sa lahat ng ating mga nakikinig na mga junior to senior college students. So, preferably agriculture, agribusiness, or business-related courses.
Yes po. This is because ito pong Youth Leaders of Agribusiness Congress, isa po siyang business case presentation in which yung mga participants po, they will be given a business case wherein certain business faces a certain problem and they have to analyze all case facts and think of solutions para po, ma-solve or ma-mitigate yung specific problem ng isang business na yun. So, bale, in here, they will be able to apply lahat po ng conceptual and theoretical skills na natututuhan nila sa kanilang mga courses.
Ito nakita natin sa ating
Yes
digital
po,
ngayon. This is one
yes.
of the
Yeah,
events.
this
no?
is the Youth Leaders of Agribusiness Congress last year, 2023.
Congratulations. Thank you to Nico. Okay, so anything you would like to add? Kailan yung event date and time? And please invite them, Rachel.
We are cordially inviting everyone po again, junior to senior college students, any course but preferably agribusiness or agriculture or business related courses. We are inviting you po here in UPLB.
Okay, Gio, yes, anything you would like to add? Saan ba pwedeng ma-reach out o social media accounts?
If you're interested to join, you can reach us through our Facebook account, Youth Leaders of Agribusiness Congress, and also you can email us at youthleadersofagribusinesscongress@gmail.com.
I also forgot to add that this is an on-site event po, 3-day on-site event.
Oo.
Yes po.
So, free
Face to face.
Yes.
Yes.
Oo, ano ba yung mga asynchronous, baka ganun. Zoom. Live po, face to face. Batiin naman natin ating mga kasama.
Yes.
Di ba ba din kumaway si Sir sa camera, no? O di ba? Batiin natin Rachel and G.
Hello po sa aming very supportive na Sir JP and aming very supportive companion, Alaris. Great.
Sabi ni Sir JP, Ma'am Jenny, kaya mo pa bang mag-hike? Akala ko ano yung aakyatin namin. Namin yan ni Ryan tsaka ni Miss Lu. Punta kami ng lugar nyo, Sir JP. Thank you so much, guys. So, for your parting words, go ahead, Rachel and Gio.
Thank you po for giving us this opportunity.
It's my pleasure. It's our pleasure.
Yes, we would just like to invite everyone to really support this event since it's a way for us to promote agriculture in the country, and of course na mas mabuksan pa po yung mga mata ng mga tao sa kahalagahan po ng agrikultura sa ating bansa, as it certainly contributes ultimately sa pag-solve po ng isa sa ating mga major problems, which is food insecurity in the country.
Wow, very well said. Rachel?
Yes, ayun po. Again, we are very happy to see you there, guys. And praktika natin ang ating teorya. Yun lang po.
Parang dasalid ng Miss Universe someday si Rachel, no? Pang Miss Universe yung beauty niya. Thank you, Sir JP. Thank you sa ating... Ano pangalan kasama natin si Maganda?
Alaris po.
Naku, hirap din bigyan ng pangalan. Alaris. Okay. Thank you, Rachel and John or Gian Baniel, Deputy General Youth Leaders of Agribusiness Congress 2024 UP Las Bañas, and Rachel Behek, Program and Participation Director, Youth Leaders of Agribusiness Congress 2024 UP Las Bañas. Meron ba kayong official Facebook lang for this Congress?
Yes po, Youth Leaders of Agribusiness Congress 2024.
Hanapin na.
There.
I-like nyo. Thank you, guys. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga kasama from UPLB. Pagbabalik natin, RMN Foundation. Kasama po natin. Oras 11:17.